Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you about Citizens Bank. More specifically, I'm going to be showing you a couple of ways that you can order checks for Citizens. So first, just a little bit of background on what checks are. A check is a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You can use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then give it to the person that you're paying. Then they will deposit the check, and once they do that, the money will be taken out of your account and deposited into theirs. So now that we have a little bit of background on what a check is, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else that has your Citizens Bank account number and routing number on it. So the first thing that you're going to do is open your browser and type in the bank web address. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox, or whatever other browser that you choose. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. You can also check out the description for the link to the bank. As you can see, I'm already on the website and you can see the link at the top, citizensbank.com. Now the first way that you can order checks is going to be to log in to your Citizens Bank account online. So on the main screen, you're going to look for the login button, which is right here at the top. Towards the right, almost in the middle of the screen, it says log in. You will click on that. That's going to bring you to this screen here where you will select, it's already pre-selected personal and small business. So you'll click log in, and that will bring you to this screen here where you can enter your online user ID and your password. Once you're in, you are going to go to banking options and order online if available. Usually banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way to order checks is going to be by calling the customer service number to Citizens Bank. You can usually find this phone number on the back of your Citizens debit card, and it's probably going to be the easiest place to find it. You can also look for a Contact Us page on the Citizens Bank website, but that can sometimes be a little bit tricky to find. If you happen to know of any other ways to find this phone number, please be sure to let me know in the comments. I do want to also let you know that there is sometimes an additional fee to use this service to order checks, but that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you speak with them. The third and final way to order checks is to go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for Citizens Bank. I've already got this tab up, and I've already typed in the search bar order replacement checks for Citizens, and it just brings up different websites that you can order checks through. So you've got extravaluechecks.com. Bradford Checks Exchange is another pretty popular one. Do be aware that prices and security features will vary when ordering online through a third-party vendor. So if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order checks from, please be sure to let me know in the comments. Ordering checks this way is also where your voided check or bank statement or whatever you have that has your bank account and routing number on it is going to come in handy, because you will have to provide your exact Citizens bank account number and routing numbers for the checks. Unlike when you order from the Citizens Bank website or through their customer service feature, those numbers are not going to be automatically loaded. So you have to provide you have to provide the account number and the routing number yourself. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and please be sure to check out the description for more information about Citizens Bank.